You can keep living the same life, or you can change everything starting today. The choice is yours. But let me tell you a truth that most people ignore. If you don't change your mindset about money, you will keep repeating the same story forever. Poverty isn't just a lack of money. It's a habit. It's a way of thinking that tells you to work hard, but never teaches you how to make money work for you. The poor chase money. The rich attract it, because the rich understand one simple rule. Money goes where discipline lives. The poor spend first and save what's left. The rich invest first and spend what's left. That single decision creates two completely different destinies. When you get paid, you have two choices. You can feed your comfort, or you can feed your freedom. If you always choose comfort, you will never know freedom. Every new phone, every useless expense, every moment you say, "I deserve," this takes you one step further from the life you actually deserve. The system wants you trapped. They want you busy working, tired, distracted, and broke. Because when you're broke, you're easy to control. But when you learn how money works, you stop being controlled. You start playing the game differently. You stop asking how much something costs and start asking how much it will return. You stop chasing quick pleasure and start chasing long-term peace. Real financial freedom isn't about luxury. It's about control. Control of your time, your mind, and your future. You can't have freedom if your paycheck owns you. You can't have peace if your money disappears every month. You need to make money your employee, not your master. Invest a part of every dollar you earn, even if it's small, because consistency beats amount, and time multiplies everything. Every dollar saved is a seed. Every smart choice is a step closer to peace. But if you don't start now, you'll keep waiting for the right moment that never comes. The truth is, no one is coming to save you. Not the government, not your job, not luck. Only you. So take control. Learn how money moves. Study how the rich think, and build your own foundation. You don't need to be born rich, you just need to think differently. Because your mind builds your reality. If your thoughts are poor, your life will follow. If your thoughts are rich, your actions will follow. Stop saying one day. Start saying today. Stop saying I can't. Start asking how can I. When you start asking better questions, life gives you better answers. And remember this, the goal is not to look rich. The goal is to be free, because freedom is the real luxury. If this message speaks to you, don't scroll away. Subscribe to the channel now, because here, you'll learn how to master money, break mental limits, and build the life you deserve. Your future is waiting, but it won't wait forever. Start now. Your freedom begins today.